Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Chart Mojo. In today's video, we are going to look at Nifty, Bank Nifty, analysis on Dow, as well as two FNO counter, one long side and one short side. So guys, if you see Nifty right now, okay, we were expecting that it might hit 18K at that time. We were not very on the short side, but we were cautious because of two heavyweight results. That's why we were telling in the last video to wait for half an hour at the market start and then take a action. So there was a gap down opening, okay, a slight gap up opening, sorry, and then within 5 minutes, market tanked down on Monday based on the two heavyweight counter, okay, the results of two heavyweight counter. Now in the next week, okay, we have Reliance result right now, which will get factored in the market. It is mostly neutral kind of a side. And if we see Nifty right now, based on our charts, you can see that there is a falling resistance line now forming up, okay, and that is acting as a support. Secondly, if you see moving average, if you are using moving average, you will find that 200 DEMA and EMA, 200 EMA, both are lying in between 500 to 600 level, okay. So 17,500 to 600 is the key level which it should hold. But if we see foreign markets, okay, I will show you after Bank Nifty. So if we see Dow, similar type of structure is formed. A sideways kind of a behavior, just like Nifty on Dow chart, is forming up. And if we see a fall from there, then definitely there is an attempt by Nifty to break 17,500. So guys, in the upcoming week, what we are thinking is, as we were telling in the last video as well, one should go short below 17,500. Okay, till then you can wait or you can look for some upside opportunity. So 17,500 is the level now which we will look for. If 17,500 level is taken out, then one can attempt 17,400 and 17,250 in this coming week if 17,500 is taken out. Now on the higher side, 17,800 to 900 now will become a resistance, and chances of it Nifty hitting 18K is now quite less in the next week, okay. So we will see if it reclaim its previous high or it will go again in sideways. Now my bias would be on a kind of a much on a sideways note, okay. Nifty might go sideways, might reach 17,500 or might reach 17,800 and try to trade in between. But we never know what kind of news flow will come in the market. So 17,500 for a downside and 17,800 to 900 for the upside resistance range. If you see Bank Nifty, on the other hand, Bank Nifty is quite strong, and if you can see, there is a breakout of falling resistance line in Bank Nifty, okay, and after that there is a one way upside movement and a similar kind of consolidation which we are seeing in Nifty as well. Now if anyone would like to go long in Bank Nifty, should go above 42,700 level, okay. Above this one can expect intraday 43,000 level and positional 43,500 level in the coming week. If someone wants to go on a short side, then Nifty is right now weak rather than Bank Nifty. So if anyone would wants to go short on the indices, then Nifty would be the ideal indices to go short on, okay. If someone is still looking to short Bank Nifty, then one should simply wait for 41,500 level, a key psychological level to be taken out. This is taken out in intraday, then 41,200 and 41,000 is the level which we could wait for in the upcoming week. But ideally, we will be more focused on Nifty as it is relatively weak than Bank Nifty. Now, let us see US chart what they are doing. If you remember, we were talking about a resistance from 34K, okay, to 35K, okay. This is Dow, very strong resistance zone. This has formed over 6 months, and it is not easy to, it will be not easy to be taken out by Dow, okay. Now this level If it holds, then Dow also will behave okay in a similar manner which Nifty is behaving. It might form some sideways candle here. Okay, a key data is coming in May first week for Dow, and it is interest rate decision. If we see now, speculation have again begun for a rate hike as well. Earlier, most of the experts were expecting that there won't be any rate hike, and there might be a pause. So I think Dow will wait for this decision and then will take a decisive move. Till then, Dow might go sideways, okay, or might break this current structure, okay, near about 33 800 level. It might break, but it might take support at a lower structure at 3300, okay, sorry, 33,300, okay. This level it will try to take a support here. So overall, Dow will also remain in a smaller range. I think 2 weeks are there before the rate announcement. It is possible that Dow will behave in similar manner like this. If you see this kind of structure here, here, okay, and similar like here, okay, these kind of structure we might see in 2 weeks on the Dow chart. And if we see these structure on Dow, then definitely Nifty will also show us some sideways behavior. So guys, if you look at the Brent chart, because of a surprise cut, there was a price rise in Brent, but now it is correcting and it is showing a sideways signal as well. So we are taking neutral cues from the Brent. So guys, we have selected two FNO counter. One is UBL. If you look at this chart, okay, this is in a downtrend structure, okay. We can see low and lower highs clearly forming on the chart, but right now UBL is trying to break out its structure. 1460 is the key level which one should watch for. If 1460 is taken out in intraday, then 1500 is the level one could wait. If someone would like to take a positional, then 1530 is the level. 1530 to 1550 one could watch for, where this gap will get filled out. So 1460 is the key level you should watch for. Now let us look at another counter, that is escorts. If you look at the escorts chart, this is a falling channel, counter taking resistance from falling resistance line, and key level in escorts which you need to see is 1930. If 1930 is taken out in intraday, then 1900 and 1880 one could see in intraday if we see further momentum increase on the downside. And if someone is playing for positional and want to take a slight higher risk by placing SL at the high of this channel, okay, then one can wait for 1800 level in this counter as well. So guys, one on the long side UBL, one on the short side escorts, uh, kind of a neutral signal on Nifty, okay. And let us see now how market behaves, and we will be there in the next week reviewing the market again. So guys, this is it, and I hope if you're liking our video, then please hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel. Till then, take care, and I will meet you in the next episode.